Hey guys, today we're gonna do another legal question, and today we're gonna do the direct question, of course. And it's this question, and have a look of this question. It's called a graph question, and yeah, let's get started. So this question is really simple. It's like so you only have two conditions. The one character is equal to another character ish, and here what I think. So we can construct a graph, right? A graph is awesome, and yeah, and the graph is very simple to be honest. I don't even need vector. I don't think so because it's fixed size. But anyway, I'm going to do that. So it should be 26 and 26 because it says that it's a lowercase character, so it have to be 26, right? So it will be 26 and vector in 26. And here I construct a matrix graph, which is awesome. This is my first step. I construct a graph, and then I need to load out our information. So we need to think of how we're gonna present our information, right? So for example, so if like A equal to B, so how we're gonna present it? So we can make the edge become 1, like -1-ish. Yeah, we can do that. That's like the matrix approach. And then at some point, so we can think of some case then like when this equation not satisfied, such as A equal to B, B equal to C, and C not equal to A. And in this case, A is connected to B and B is connected to C. However, C so if there's no equation says that C not equal to A, then I think I should pass true because it can be assumed to be true. Only like return when there is anomaly happens, right? So when C not equal to A, like when not equal happens, this kind of cases happens, then we can do some sort of depth first search to see if C run equal to A. If there's no direct proof for C equal to A, then I think in this case we pass back the obviously the true. And also like after we set unequal to C, so how about this? So such as C equal to D and C is not equal to A. Okay, C is not equal to A, and then D is equal to A, and yeah, I'm drawing something in my paper, but you guys cannot see it, and maybe I should like write it here. So what I'm saying is like A equal to B and equal to C, and then there's a case that C not equal to A. And this can be goes longer than that, such as B equal to D equal to J, and then equal to C, right? And then if this, we should return false. And there's also another case, such as for example, here is no C is still here. Oh yeah, wait, should C be here? No. Well, I'm also thinking of sort of current problems. So if they are equal, then we color the same, and then sort of doing that. And well, if I'm doing that, then it could be a disjoint set problem, right? And maybe I'm not sure, but like that's what I'm thinking right now. But anyway, it doesn't matter. And hey, okay, keep thinking. Oh, maybe I should. But wait, still keep thinking. Maybe I still disjoint set. But shit, I forget how to implement disjoint set. I remember like compressed path-ish thing, but no, shit, I forget. Anyway, okay, that's another case I'm thinking about. It's like, for example, A equal to C and equal to D. However, it says that A not equal to D. Actually, wait a sec. The above case. I'm thinking about it. Do you have some better case? Oh wait, remember like if A not equal to D, I just forget about above, and it says A not equal to D, and then I encounter such that C equal to D, and here is clear anomaly, but like after I realized I could present it as this way, so it's not like a special case. It's just still the above case. Great. I mean, maybe we should get started for doing this. Still looking hard. Let us like to do it so we can do it for R2S equations. Observer model. Equations. Yes. if S1 equal, then it's case 1, elsewise it's case 2, and in case 1 we just put it into our vector, and for case 2 we start to check. Actually, so I'm thinking like a better way to do it is for first rule we only like check the equal, and for second rule we can do some depth first search to verify if their relationship is correct or not. But I feel like I could be missing some edge case in this sense. But yeah, let's have a try, right? Great. If S1 equal, then what we do is VVI S0 minus A S3 minus A equal to 1, and because it's undirected graph, we should do the same for great. And that's our first rule. So for first rule, our ideology, I mean our the thing we want to achieve, our goal is to just construct the graph, right? Construct the graph that got equal relationship. Then our edge in this graph means equal, and very simple, right? And then the second part, verify our unequal relationship being satisfied. Now I'm thinking another thing. So can unequal relationship like to sort of like correlate to each other? Like what I mean is like some unequal condition is true means that another unequal condition means false. Sort of like they correlate each other or they are completely independent. I don't think they correlate each other, so I'm gonna have like just try it first. And if this equal to unequal, and want to do some sort of depth search. Between S0 to S1, S3, and so another thing is because our graph is pretty small, it only got 26 vertices, and at most at 500 edges. And do we have to like do some sort of DP in this? I'm not sure. Like I never heard of doing DP in graph, but maybe that's a thing. Maybe that's not. Also, last time I made a problem that you call bit mask for the graph. Sort of is DP, right? Oh, that's stupid idea. Forget about it. I'm gonna just do a simple brief search, and we're gonna construct a helper function for our purpose. Check call helper, and sorry, spell wrong. Great. I mean, yeah. Hey. And here we need char. Let's use syntax I int j, so on from current target, and also we want to store all the nodes that we visited. So do that. So if vi current equal to 1, return false. Base case, otherwise traverse 26 to see if there is edge. I can use this Excel, but better way to do it is using the sides sort of design pattern, but also sort of not design pattern. I'm not sure lah. Hey, I mean. Thinking right now. I'm not thinking. Because it's undirected, and also here I have insert two nodes, and here I only need to consider this case equal to 1, and yes, haven't been visited before. Then what we do is to, oh shit, I'm actually implementing a depth first search right now, but I take it, whatever, right? Depth first search should work. If it doesn't work, I will change it to the breadth first search. If this being validated, if they return true, then it just return true. Otherwise, forget about it, and here we return false. And also we fill the current to be 1 as I validated it. What if just cycle? So do I need to do it before? Yeah, I felt like it makes sense if I do it here. And yeah, that's our. So we need to create a vector int to, array in C++ to check if the edge, the node being validated, and if upper VPI current will be S0 minus A, and target will be S3 minus A, and VI. If this is true, then we return false. Otherwise, return true. And let's test if my code is working. Oh shit, it expected to be false. Oh right, I didn't get a base condition, which is stupid. Yeah, so if current equal to target, we shall return true. That's the base condition. Great, and try the second one, and it work. Okay, that has a case I've been thinking about. So which is A equal to B, B equal to C, C equal to J, and suppose that J not equal to A. And let's see if my thing working. Great, it's working, and it's not like any other case. So how about add another case which is C not equal to A? Actually they're basically the same, but let me just try it. And great work. How about like adding some unrelated stuff? Equal to W, not equal to W. Great. I'll delete this, it should return true. M not equal to W, and I can do M equal to A, and how about W equal to A? and it should return false now. Great, it seems working. Let's submit. Great, and I think if we use Breeze for search, I can beat more people. Which, do I want to do that? I don't really want to do that. So I guess that's it. That's today's problem, and this problem is 990. Today's the other question, and thank you for watching.